Today's video is going to be on canning meat. I've heard that in Alberta, the plant that processes probably a third of the beef for Canada is having difficulties because of the virus. They have quite a number of people that are off sick. So the issue is just that they don't have the manpower to process the food. And I expect at this point that being the case, you're going to see prices rise. So I took a run to Costco, and yes, there's already limits. Only one package of minced beef per customer. I've got a package of 2 roast beefs, 1 package of chicken breasts. I was looking for the chicken thighs. I prefer the breasts myself, but my husband likes the dark meat. So I was going to do a mix and match, but looks like that's not going to happen because they had nothing but breasts and a couple of wings. And I also bought a package of tilapia, which is something that we've been starting to eat lately. So today I am going to do a video on canning the chicken. And perhaps I'll do another video on the minced beef, on making chili. So some of the rest of this I'll be putting away, freezing, separating into meal-sized packages and freezing, and some I will be canning. Okay, so the process for canning chicken is pretty simple and straightforward actually. I have washed these, and now I'm just going to cut them into smaller chunks. And all that we do is that we fill our mason jars. And I'm using pint-sized jars for this. Okay, we loose pack and leave at least 1 1/4 inch headspace. I'm going to add a little bit of salt each one. That is a matter of choice. You can omit this if you want. And especially with meat, you clean the edges, make sure that there's no greasy residue. You want a good seal here. This is actually easier than doing a lot of things because you're raw packing here. Okay. And add my lids. And rings. Also, I'm going to put the balance of my vinegar in there. That helps to keep the jars from getting cloudy. So we don't add anything but salt. And now we put them in the canner and process them at 11 pounds pressure for 75 minutes. So, but before that happens, we have to bring this up to temperature and make sure that it vents. And when it has vented for 10 minutes, then we'll put the little gauge on and bring it up to pressure. Okay. Yes, I believe that venting is visible. So now we set the timer for 10 minutes. And when we've 10 minutes have passed, and we'll put the weight on. Okay, my pressure has reached 11 pounds, which is what I want. And now I'm going to set the timer for 75 minutes. Now, whether you have 10 pounds or 15 pounds pressure, it depends on your altitude. So check your own altitude and determine where you need to set the weight or the pressure amount to. Out of the canner now, and they look just awesome. So just going to let them cool, and then they will go into the pantry. So that's the video for now. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll catch you on the next one.